Before you decide to buy Flipsnack, there are 7 things you need to know. Stick around until the end and I'll break down how this software compares to others, what to expect, and how you can make the most of its features. Plus, I'll share where you can try it completely free, so make sure you don't miss out. First, let's talk about the versatility of Flipsnack. If you're looking to create digital flipbooks or interactive content, Flipsnack really stands out with its intuitive interface. Unlike some competitors like Issuu, which can feel a bit more rigid, Flipsnack offers more flexibility, allowing users to create everything from product catalogs to presentations that look professional and engaging. This makes it perfect for marketers or small businesses who need to showcase products or content in an interactive way. Next thing you'll want to know is the ease of use. Flipsnack doesn't require any design experience. While tools like Canva or Adobe InDesign may offer more features for seasoned designers, Flipsnack is designed to be user-friendly. Its drag-and-drop interface allows even beginners to quickly create beautiful flipbooks. Whether you're uploading PDFs or starting from scratch, it's one of the simplest tools on the market for creating digital publications. The third thing to consider is customization. Flipsnack lets you fully customize your flipbooks to match your branding. You can add your logo, adjust colors, and even include interactive elements like videos and links. If you've used tools like LucidPress or Google Slides, you know how limiting they can be when it comes to design and functionality. Flipsnack goes above and beyond by offering customizable templates and the ability to embed interactive content, making it more than just a standard flipping tool. The fourth thing to keep in mind is collaboration. If you work with a team, Flipsnack makes it easy to collaborate in real time. While other tools might require you to download and share files, Flipsnack allows your team to work together directly on the platform. This feature is great for marketers or content creators who need quick feedback and real-time collaboration. Fifth, let's talk about pricing. Flipsnack has a range of pricing plans, which is great for small businesses and individuals on a budget. Compared to alternatives like Issuu or Script, which have limited free versions and higher entry costs, Flipsnack offers a more affordable solution with a solid free tier that lets you start using the software immediately. Whether you're testing it out or using it long-term, Flipsnack's pricing is competitive and reasonable for its features. Next thing, analytics. If you're running any kind of marketing campaign or tracking performance, you'll want detailed insights into how your flipbooks are performing. Flipsnack offers analytics that track viewer engagement, which can help you optimize your content. Other platforms don't always offer this depth of information, so if data-driven decisions are important to you, Flipsnack gives you the tools to make them. The final thing you should know is the customer support. Flipsnack has a solid reputation for customer service, offering 24/7 support through email, chat, and even phone if you need it. Many competitors, such as Issuu, have slow response times or limited support, but Flipsnack has earned high marks for being quick and helpful when it comes to solving issues or answering questions. If all this sounds appealing, then you're probably ready to try out Flipsnack. To get started, click the first link in the description below, where you can sign up for a free trial and enjoy some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Give it a go today and see how Flipsnack can help elevate your digital content to the next level.